Here we got a beautiful 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass. It's been updated a little bit with obviously the dual fans, electric fans on the radiator. Okay, again, the 67 Oldsmobile Cutlass, and again, I was talking about the fans. It's got both the flex fan and the electric fans, which, you know, that simple upgrade would make a big difference going in your stop and go traffic, of course. That's the color of the motor. As you know, they came from the factory. Every manufacturer had like a specific color for the motor. Like Chevy had Chevy orange red. Sometimes Chrysler, like the Roadrunner, used like that red, orange, red, sort of like that color too. But usually it's turquoise. Pontiac had like a bluish color, and Oldsmobile had this gold color, which, you know, pretty much goes along with the gold color of the car itself here. And you have like an off-white interior. It's got the under dash AC, which you damn need here in Florida. It's freaking hot as hell. It's a beautiful gold color, man. I always like gold. It's a nice, you know, so many cars today are silver or white. To me, the gold looks a lot nicer, or champagne color or something. But you notice today, like, you know, you look at cars, they got like a big fancy lens or something for the taillights, but you know, none of this, you know, everything's body colored, and none of this chrome trim like they got before. And this was actually, you know, even the 67 is way toned down from 57, but compared to today, way more attention to detail on the cars back in the 60s. And you know, they're producing these things without computers, without robots, without CAD/CAM designers, and you know, they're coming out with new stuff every year, completely different, making all these upgrades. I tell you, everybody's brain power today is far diminished, I think. You know, that's what I really do think. Remember the National Hot Rod Association? So let's get a view from here from the front. So it's a nice car, man. I always loved the Cutlass, man. Always love it. Cutlass 442. It looks like a 442. Same thing, basically. You know, if you got the right motor in it, that's all it counts.